A soft-cooked boiled egg is cooked for a shorter period for 3 to 4 minutes, resulting in a runny yolk and firm white. Medium cooked. A medium boiled egg is cooked slightly longer than soft-boiled egg for 5 to 7 minutes. Hard cook. A hard cooked boiled egg is cooked for 12 to 15 minutes until the both yolk and white are completely set. Scrambled eggs are made by whisking eggs and then cooking them in a pan with oil. Omelette eggs are made by whisking egg and cooking to a pan and folding them over fillings and vegetables. Sunny side up is cooked by cracking an egg into a pan. Wait until the white is set but the yolk is remain runny. Roasted egg is cooked by adding small amount of water into a pan. Overhard egg is cooked longer than sunny side egg and basted egg. White and yolk are fully cooked. Poached egg is cooked into simmering water and result is like soft-boiled egg.